Hello and welcome to Saucy Cat. My name is Connor, and growing up I was always weirded out by the concept of carrot cake. Why would you put a vegetable in a cake? Well, now I'm starting to understand with this vegan carrot cake. Let's dive in. Grab a large bowl and we'll get the boring ingredients out of the way. All-purpose flour, baking soda, baking powder, almond milk, and vegetable oil. As an egg substitute for our cake, add in some ground flax seed. Then sweeten this up with some sugar, brown sugar, and vanilla extract. Now get a grater and start grating 3 large carrots. Note to self, add a bigger grater on the list. Once that's all ground up, add it to the bowl along with our secret ingredients, crushed pineapple and shredded coconut. The pineapple will give this cake a nice pop of extra sweetness, and the coconut has a really nice texture. Now let's spice this cake up with some cinnamon, ground sugar, nutmeg, and cloves. Give our cake batter a good mixing so there aren't any pockets of dry ingredients left. Now pour the batter into some cake pans. I'm going to be using 2 9-inch circles for my cake today. Now add them to a 350-degree oven for 45 minutes. While that's baking, let's start working on a frosting. Grab a medium-sized bowl and add in some vegan cream cheese, softened vegan butter, vanilla extract, and a whole lot of powdered sugar. Give it all a good mix until it's combined and then set in the fridge till we're ready to frost. My timer just went off, so let's take the cake out of the oven and let it cool down completely before frosting them. I'm also going to take a knife and cut off any excess cake that's popping off the top of the tin to make sure it's nice and flat. It's been about 2 hours and these are now cool to the touch. I'm going to add about 1/3 of our frosting to the top of this first cake before adding the other one on top. With the rest of the frosting, let's add it to the top and start working it around the sides. This is looking as good as I'm going to make it get, so let's plate this dish. Now, I'm never one to turn down a piece of cake. All of our spices pair together perfectly with this sweet cake, and our frosting is so delicious. Well, that is going to do it for today. I want to thank you so much for watching. Let me know what are some of your favorite types of cake in the comments down below. Like and subscribe for more, and I'll see you next time on Saucy Cat. I don't think I can make a piece of cake look pretty to save my life.
You can't.